Okay guys, we're back and this is how our slimes turn out. This is mine. It's really good. And introduce yours. Go ahead.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
You're better at it than I am.
This is hers. Hers is better than mine. It makes bubbles easier. And it's really, really good. It's not sticky. Really pokeable. Let's do the Instagram swirl. Okay, there's yep, swirl. So here's how to do the Instagram swirl. So you pick your slime up, go like this. It's so stretchy. Go like this, sometimes twist, and then let it just drip down and do a swirl. And then you can poke mine. Let's do the bubble test. Come on, I can get it. There's a little bubble. A bubble over a bubble. That's cool.
You done?
No. And then hers goes bubbles very, very easily. See if I can do a bubble over a bubble. Oh. Hers is really good, but it just has a little bit of pink in it. It's a little bit she didn't mix. It's really, really, really stretchy. Love this. And then you could obviously see there's lots and lots and lots of glitters.
Okay.
Is it glitter or glitters?
Glitter.
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you like this video, put a thumbs up. Bye.